there are 3 essential formulas that your interviewer or employer expects you to know. And trust me, mastering these will enable you to perform most intermediate level job roles with confidence. The first one is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP in Excel searches for a value in one column and returns the matching value from another column. For example, you are looking up any order ID from this column and also it returns the matching value from another column. Means इसको सर्च करने के साथ साथ इसके सामने के जो भी वैल्यूज हैं और VLOOKUP फॉर्मूला से बहुत इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हो. दिस फॉर्मूला इज रिक्वायर्ड टू फाइंड डेटा क्विकली, मैच रिकॉर्ड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट टेबल्स एंड दिस ऑटोमेट सर्चेस. This is commonly used in report for finance, HR, sales, marketing, operations and whatnot. I'll show you how this formula works, and in this sheet, suppose this is our complete sales data of your entire month or period, okay? And you got some inquiry either from your manager or from some customer support or anything, okay? They want you to find details related to these order IDs. So one thing is that you by manually doing it, but that will be a very time consuming task, okay? And here the VLOOKUP comes to play the part. And how you do it? So simply any formula in Excel, it will start by using equal to, okay? So now our formula bar is activate and our formula name is VLOOKUP. So we write V, and now the Excel give you all the formulas option it has. That's the beauty of Excel. It helps you to work on it, okay? Then I write L, and there is only one formula with this combination. So here is our VLOOKUP, and here then I press tab over my keyboard, and this is asking me the lookup value. Lookup value means जिसको आपको find करना है. So this is my lookup value. This is in A3, okay? Then the formula is asking me to apply comma, and then it is asking me the table array कि किस टेबल में से आपको डेटा फाइंड करना है. So this is over here, we go to sheet 1 by our mouse and we'll select complete data set. By the same shortcuts, I use Control, then Shift and the right arrow key and then downward arrow key. It has selected the table array for this formula, and then our formula is asking us the column index, okay? So column index is where your data is lying, in which column. So data set has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 columns, okay? And we are required to know the amount which is in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 in the 7th column. So we write 7, then I'll press 0. 0 means the exact match we need to find out, and then bracket close and then enter. इस lookup value के लिए amount को match करा and लेके आया, okay? And as we need to find all the amount for all these order IDs, so what we will do, again we will use Control Shift then up arrow. It will select all the selected cells and then I'll press Control D. It has brought me the answer for all the order IDs, and here you will see NA is there. So this is because we does not have this order ID present in our record. So this is also helpful to find the results कि वो वहाँ present है भी या नहीं भी. अब आप इसको मैनुअली चेक करते हैं या फिर फाइंड फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं तो इट विल बी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. एंड द अनदर ब्यूटी ऑफ द फॉर्मूला फंक्शन इज, सपोज हमको ये सारा डिटेल्स चाहिए तो वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ फॉर्मूला. addition thing we need to do in our formula, we need to freeze ourselves. Freeze means, I tell you why we need it, because if I copy and then paste our formula here, it will bring NA. Because in the formula bar here our formula says the lookup value is B3, which is this cell, but this is not correct, okay? And also the table array it has selected now B1 to I151, that is also not correct. We need the data from A1 to H. And why it has done that? Because it has considered it कि जब आपने यहाँ कॉपी करा तो इसने वन प्लेस सबका आगे कर दिया है, A को B कर दिया है and H को I कर दिया है. So what we need to do, we need to freeze our cells as per our requirement. how we will do that? We go to our formula in our formula bar and we will press F4 on our keyboard. This bring this dollar sign in front of A and 3. It means A भी freeze हो गया and 3 भी freeze हो गया. But if you see the requirement of our formula is A तो freeze रहे but 3 freeze no. So we will press F4 till the time it brings dollar sign only to A only. 1, it has freeze the complete cell. Then once more F4, it has unfreezed A but freezed 3. Once more, it has freezed A but not 3. This is our requirement, correct? And same we will do this in, we want to freeze the complete data set as it is. So we will press one time F4, A1 here and for H1 also. Okay, like this and enter. And now you will see that our formula is bringing the same result in this column, but this is not correct because we want category here. तो category हमारे column से कहाँ पर है? 1 2 3 4. Category is at 4, so we will write 4 here and then Control Shift down arrow and then D. Same again हमें category चाहिए, ठीक है? Category हमारे पास आ गई है like this. And for region I have copied this formula by Control C and by selecting Shift and rightward arrow key I am selecting the cells where I need my formula and then Control V. What are the necessary changes? We need our region and payment method. Region is here at 5 and the payment method is at 6. So we do like this 5 and this is 6 and the same Shift rightward arrow and Shift Control and upward arrow and then Control D. It has brought me all the results in my required format. We can use this formula to do our bank reconciliations, to the preparation of our reports for our requirements. Okay,